Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi.
Today we have again something special for you. I don't want to keep you in this big secret. So let's go to the unboxing. So, what's the big secret?
A big box.
A big box that includes
Dun. Here you go.
that's a that's a good catch, if you want to say that, because we didn't know which way was the box. But
yeah, I got the right way.
it is that the right way. So this is the big surprise. This is a EcoAir Desiccant Dehumidifier made in UK.
I love the way it actually says mini.
Yes, it's mini.
It's mini, it's small.
Because it has bigger brothers. So let's open the box and then we're going to talk about the pros and the cons of having a dehumidifier like this one.
So as we can see, user manual.
User manual.
That is going to be fun.
Again, this video, I have the strong man with me.
Yeah.
To do the hard work of lifting.
Yeah, I'm just searching to see if it actually has any handles. We'll take this off.
Yes. So what's that in the front?
That is the wire.
This is the plug.
Yeah.
So let's take.
Oh, this is so much easier than the other one.
Yeah.
If I get it out of the box. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
So actually, it's quite light, guys, because I'm not even trying.
As you understand, the desiccant is using a different material to catch the moist from your house. And that's the reason, because there's no compressor inside.
But
you don't have a heavy compressor. So
like turn it around.
Yes.
I want to, like, look how big the filter is.
Yes. So
it's quite
because
big.
It's from the EcoAir, they have a different type of filter. That one has multi-layers of.
Yeah. As you can see.
Multi-layers, it catches the
It catches the smells, and it's quite easy, like you literally can take it off and get the dust and
you
anything
see
else is in
the things inside.
Yeah.
So
just when you take the filter off, be careful to put it back. It's got like little clips that you have to put in it.
Put it together, yes?
Yeah. Yeah, because lots of people maybe will miss it. Well, I don't think that will be a problem because, as you can see, my nails are quite long. So if I don't have a problem, I don't think.
Where's the container?
The container is around here.
Show us.
Let's take
all
the sticky. That's harder than actually the filter. Sorry.
If you want to turn it...
I will. I'm just trying to get a grip of.
I believe you just pulled from the
I believe you do.
Yeah.
Yep. And there's another. Oh, that was the piece that stuck on me before.
And this is your water container, which has a handle.
That is so much handy because the other one doesn't. And because I use it upstairs, I end up spilling some water.
Yes.
So I like this feature. I really do like that.
So this is what happens when you design and innovate in UK. Look at how handy they made this.
Now and again, you do need to clean the container.
Yeah,
and I was wondering.
It has to be, I don't know if we can find somewhere what type of plastic it is, but it looks like it's the same material they make the storage containers.
Yes, it is.
So it's they might recycled that.
Yeah, but it is nice. I like the feature with the handle. That's like 1+ already.
Okay, let's see.
Let's put this back.
Let's see what it has on the top. On the top. So on the top, this is a special model, and I wanted to have this model for you guys because this model has clothes drying.
Mm-hmm.
And what I mean clothes drying, I mean it has a special system which you will see when we plug the device to the power.
Yeah, okay.
And you will see what I mean with that.
Just checking the length of the wire.
So let's plug the device and let's see. So we plug the device to the mains power and let's see how it's power on. So this is the magic thing I was talking about. You see those vents?
Literally.
They go up and down.
Yeah.
And they dry your clothes and your house.
And it warms up a bit.
And it because it's a Desiccant Dehumidifier, it can work with temperatures from 1 degree Celsius. So it doesn't need to be hot inside your house to make it dry your clothes. We have heard from people saying that they manage to dry their clothes in 6 hours. So let's see some of the features. The first one is the vent. So if you press, it goes like that. If you press the second one, it will turn the vent facing forwards. And if you press the third, it's going to have a continuous movement. On this setting here, so it will help us.
Yeah.
I believe you can choose how much humidity.
That's yeah, basically the dehumidifier. That's how much do you want it to dry? A little bit or a lot. There's 2 options on that one.
All right. So basically, I press that button and the
low
speed,
and high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The speed went down of the fan. That believe this is the eco mode, in which you spend only 275 watts of power to have this device running. And if you put it to number 2, it goes to high mode.
Yeah, it can bring down the humidity up to 40 to 45%. Awesome.
That's an amazing thing. So I believe on the other option, it's just the circles between.
One little thing I want to say about this. If you actually put it on the high mode, that is the second one.
Yes.
when it actually gets all the dampness from the air, it will go back to the first option. That is actually the economy one.
So basically, when it gets all the humidity from your house,
it will lower by itself.
It will go down to the eco mode.
Yes, by itself, so it continues drying your house and keeping.
Do you have any information for the dry mode?
The clothes, yeah, laundry. Quick dry is obviously the second option.
Quick dry.
That is like kind of like a turbo mode, and this is the normal one.
Okay, quick dry, the second option. Normal dry, the first one.
It just works again lower and higher, basically. If you need them dried fast, obviously you put it on the second option. So
let's see if it has a function that I read for this company they have. As usually with heaters, this is not a heater, but it has a heating element inside. If you tilt it, it will stop running for security reasons. So I want to test if it does that. Yes. So the device, it detected that it's down, and it cut the heating power. So let's see if we turn it back up. No, it says that basically I'm down, I'm stopped working. Yeah. I'm cooling myself down. So this is a very good protection. So you have two lights on the top. A sign that your container is full, and attention sign. So guys, this is the next day, and we have tested the device. As you see on the label, it says that it can get 6 liters a day from the air, and it says 270 watts in low and 442 in high, and it says that it can work from 1 degree Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. And we managed to dry the clothes for 6 hours, and we are successful doing that. That vent really helps and makes the room way hotter than it is with no extra heating. We run the device on the eco mode. That's the fast mode, that's the eco mode. And on the meter, it was showing 9p per hour. So if you do a quick math, it's almost so yeah. So another advice we have is you have to keep the device 40 centimeters away from the clothes, because it's throwing hot air. So I believe it's going to make the clothes to dry faster. Yeah, but it needs 40 centimeters just for the air circulation, so that it can actually get the air circulating right. So you have Desiccant Dehumidifier, which can dry your clothes in 6 hours. So you can put some money on the side for drying your clothes. And you have a 3-liter container. This is the EcoAir, and it has the venting system that it goes up and down. If you put it on the low mode, it's 270 watts. If you put it to the high mode, it's 508 watts. So we will compare in the next video some dehumidifiers and see how much they worth the money for the electricity and everything else. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Thank you for subscribing, and liking and buying things we recommend. And hope you have a great night. Bye.
Bye-bye.